Oh, there's go some waves. Hey guys, what's up? It's US Drums and Sirens with another video today. Today we're getting some strong wind gusts, 40 miles per hour, but in about 30 minutes or so, 20 minutes, they're gonna gust up to 65. So let's see if it actually happens or not. It has to happen. They said 65 mile an hour winds are coming. You can see my oak tree blowing. I don't know if you can. And in addition to 65 mile an hour gusts, we're also getting some dust from West Texas because there's a lot of dry vegetation from West Texas. And it's also, yeah, in about 20 minutes, the wind and the dust is gonna pick up significantly. So let's see if it happens. It has to happen. There go some birds. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk around my front yard and backyard, watching the wind, let you guys see the wind, and if there's any damage later, I will let y'all know. Let's see how my Yopon Holly does. Let's see how it is. Yeah, sometimes when the wind blows west, the leaves will turn over. Just going out towards the road here. That Bradford pear almost got its leaves back, right over there. As you can see, it's kind of calm right now. It's not bad, but it's gonna get bad later. Trust me, it will. There goes a leaf. Here it comes. Oh my gosh. That was a loud swishing noise. And I heard a bang. Look at my oak tree. It's going crazy, isn't it? It lost all of its leaves, so it's finally... My oak tree has finally shedded all of its leaves. And it's already grown them back. Well, it's not grown them back yet, but just a tad. My cypress has not grown any leaves yet. I've got some Bradford pears in the garden here. All Bradford pear right there, right there, right there, right there. There's also one grown right here, which I'm going to keep. See if it's actually in the ground. Yeah, it's a little Bradford pear. It's nice. I like it. I don't know what to say right now. All I can say is just we're getting some... All I can say is, oh my gosh, look at these winds. It's just weird how it just got calm. That's weird. Let's go to that pistachio bush. And if you guys want an update on that hanger and that live oak, remember that video? As you can see, it's been cut off the tree now. And it's in a pile. That's it right there. 4:45. That had to be. That had to be 45. Here it comes again. See if my Yopon holly leaves turn over. Not yet, I guess. See, look at how hazy the sky is. Wow, that's crazy. Wind's barely even blowing in the back. Sky's so hazy. Wow. Let's see what time it is. It is 4:44 p.m. Today is Friday, March 14th, 2025. And also, that tree over there with the mistletoe is blowing. Same as that mulberry. First of all, if you don't know what mistletoe is, mistletoe can actually kill trees because it's a disease. Fun fact, by the way. My oak tree is coming back to life. See, look. See little sprouts coming out right there? That means it's coming back. Hasn't shedded all of its leaves, not yet, but it will. The sky is so hazy. So bad right now, but it will later. It will. I'm gonna go buy these live oaks. Sky is so hazy right now. It's crazy. Bradford pear's grown its leaves back. Alright, I'm back, and whoa, there went a branch. There went a branch. I just saw a branch go flying. Not a big one, just like a tiny, it was like a stick. It was a stick. No big deal. Let's see what time it 65-mile-an-hour wind should be arriving in about 5 minutes. It takes a little while to get here because, you know, it's all the way down in West Texas. And it takes a little bit to get over here. If you guys curious, what the heck? Is that a freaking magnolia tree? I don't know what that is. If you guys ever have you ever guys wondered what the basis of my tree looks like? This is what the base of my Yopon holly looks like. As you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees growing inside of each other. There used to be a branch right there, but looks like the previous owner cut it off before we moved in. And these, I don't know what those balls are, but I don't know why they're there. Sounds good. Still alive. That's a good thing. It's like a little rot decay. There used to be a lot of branches on these Yopon hollies, but they trimmed them. This branch is limb locked. Wind's picking back up. Wow. What a crazy day for wild weather. Whoa. I said this already, but if I didn't, I'm gonna say it again. So you probably know this live oak tree, the one that I mentioned in the 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Remember when it lost one of its branches? It actually, the owner cut it off. The owner cut it off, and it's right here now. It's all in a pile now, so. My gosh. I can, like, that house down there is like, it's like kind of hazy down the street. See what my phone percent is at. Jeez. 32%, so not bad. I hear those Bradford pears swishing. Coming, guys. It's coming. See if I can get a view of that oak down there. That oak tree. I'm trying to get a good view of it. That oak tree's blown as well. So, I'm gonna go to the backyard in a little bit, though. Depends on how much these winds are. I can faintly hear trees swishing. I don't know if you guys can. Yeah, look at how hazy the sky is. It's because of all that dust from West Texas. Look, it even got on my phone a little bit. It's crazy. Wow. Crazy, crazy. my oak tree blowing with no leaves at all. It's a very nice tree. I like it. I love my oak. Oh my gosh. You kind of see that mulberry blowing in the back. Oh, here it comes. Oh my gosh. You can hear it swooshing a little bit. I don't know if you guys heard my cypress swishing. Comment below if you did. Let's go over to that live oak again, because I heard it swishing loud. Because that tree is very flexible to wind. That's the branch that came off on. This Bradford pear has grown its leaves back. It was recently trimmed because when the May 28th storm came through about 6 months ago, it blew the tops off. It blew the tops off. See, that tree is like half dead. That's a little Chinese pistachio bush. Here it comes. Wind's picking up. See my oak tree moving. My oak tree's going crazy right now. Well, it's not because it's sideways. This side's blowing. My open holly is moving, but not as much right now. I don't know what the heck this tree is. But hold on. Just ripped it up. There you go. Grow somewhere else. I'm just kidding. Whoa, I heard another bang. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there are businesses across my neighborhood. And I can hear banging noises. Like trash cans opening and closing. Wow. Whoa, the heck was that? I heard something. Let me scoot back a little bit. Wow. Alright guys, I'm going to go into the backyard now, so I will pause this video and I will see you guys in just one moment. Okay, so here I am in the backyard. As you can see, the wind's like kind of less in the backyard because the houses, there are also some wildfires way west of us. Oh my gosh. Let me go to the back door here. Harriet, what are you doing? There's another good gust. Hold on, let me let the dog in. Right as I was shutting the door, the wind was like pulling it shut. Shut up, dogs. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Here it comes. Let me take a look at the front from here. Same. It's the same. I can even hear my cypress swishing all the way from back here. Here's my dead tree. It's like, you know, still sitting here. There goes the wind. I'm trying to put sawdust around it because, you know, sometimes sawdust, you know, likes to blow off things. Hold on a second. Alright, I'm back. Look at my dead tree. Can you guys see it moving? I can literally hear those windows shaking. I'm trying to do a wiggle test on my dead tree. Hold on a second. Okay, hold on, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. Just had to fix something real quick. This mulberry was blowing like crazy just a second ago. trying to put sawdust around my dead tree so it can actually stay there. My goodness. Ain't that crazy? Wow. There goes another gust. I hear wind chimes going crazy. What a day it has been today. Yep, there's my dead tree. Isn't it crazy out here, you guys? It's pretty crazy. Alright, I'm going to end this video because the winds are not picking up as much, so I appreciate y'all for watching. If the winds do get stronger, I will let y'all know. So, thank y'all for watching, like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Peace out. Have a great day. Bye-bye.